There's a place in India where food isn't just cooked, it's beaten into perfection. Welcome to Old Digha in West Bengal, a coastal town where one humble dish steals the spotlight. The legendary Pai Paratha. At first glance, it looks like any other street food stall. But listen closely. That sound? That rhythmic top, top, top? That's not just cooking. That's tradition in motion. Pai Paratha, literally meaning beaten bread, is one of Bengal's most unique street foods. Unlike regular flatbreads, this one is stretched thin, fried, and then beaten repeatedly until it becomes soft, flaky, and unbelievably layered. It's crispy on the outside, soft and airy on the inside. It all starts with a simple dough, flour, oil, water. But what happens next is where the magic begins. The dough is stretched thin, folded, and cooked on a hot pan. And then comes the most iconic part, the beating. Using hands or wooden tools, the cook repeatedly slaps the paratha, not to destroy it, but to bring it to life. Each hit creates layers, each movement adds texture. In places like Old Digha, Pai Paratha isn't just food, it's a daily ritual, a late-night craving, a shared experience. Locals gather around small stalls, watching the process like a performance. And when it's served, it disappears in seconds. One bite, and you understand everything. The crunch, the softness, the layers melting in your mouth. Often served with spicy curry or egg, it's simple yet unforgettable. This isn't just food, it's comfort. In a world chasing fast food and trends, places like this remind us that sometimes the best flavors come from the simplest traditions. So next time you visit India, skip the fancy restaurants, come to the streets of Old Digha, and listen for that sound. Top, top, top. Because that's where you'll find something truly unforgettable.